Hi, Matthew here from Grand Cru Wine Fridges. I'd really love you to explore our premium wine fridge range. How do you do that? Naturally, our website, grandcruwinefridges.com.au. But we've also got a fantastic team behind our social media, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, TikTok. We're on all of them. Or you can even live chat me via our website. So if you're looking for a premium wine fridge, don't overlook Grand Cru Wine Fridges. Go to grandcruwinefridges.com.au and we'll look forward to welcoming you to the Grand Cru family.